as you guys can see, it's raining outside and the weather is so good right now. It's not that hot, but yet you know it's not cooled down yet. So it is currently around 5:20, and the thing is that there is no electricity at my place, so I don't really have anything much to do. I'm done with my math syllabus, I'm done with my science syllabus, I am almost done with my SST syllabus as well. So I really don't know what I'll do right now. But you know, when you don't have electricity at your house, it's really hard to figure out on what you should do. So I'll see what I'll do right now. And yeah, I actually heard somewhere that there was this news. I think it's 110% fake, but you know, I just thought to share it, that some people were saying that term 2 might get cancelled because there is this upcoming 4th wave of COVID. So I don't think it will get cancelled so easily. We already have our admit cards, right? So please don't believe on any such fake news. So now I'm just currently in my balcony enjoying this weather, and I'll update you guys once I figure out on what I should do. Guys, just look at this beautiful sunset from my balcony. I love watching sunsets so much, and look how pretty it is. Such a perfect weather after a rain. But the rain wasn't much. We didn't have a lot of rain, like it's done, not even 15 minutes, but it's done. And I just had a glass of Nimbu Pani, and I accidentally made it too sweet, so it was a sugar syrup instead. But anyhow, I had to drink it. It was actually Tang, so I added a lot of Tangka water, and it was so sweet, so I had to drink that sugar syrup. Can't help it. But yeah, that's how the weather is right now, and I'll keep you guys updating if I have something new. Hi guys, so long time since I vlogged. It is currently 5:30. It's 6:30. Okay, I'm totally blank right now because it is so hot. It hardly rained for 15 minutes, and now you can see it's all dry, and plus like it's so super hot outside and inside as well, because there's no electricity and we have no charge in our phone. So you know, we came up with a total plan that me and my mom will go to the mall nearby, and while going to the mall we'll just plug in our phones into the car, so we'll actually get our phones charged. And generally pata hai, is area mein the electricity doesn't really go, so we really don't have a habit to stay without electricity. Sometimes it feels good, especially when it's winter time, but you guys know it's so hot outside, so you know it's totally unbearable. तो कैसे करके तो मैंने मम्मी को मनाया. She came up with the idea, but then she was like नहीं छोड़ो कौन जाएगा. But no, daughter power, I finally convinced her. तो अभी हम लोग जाएंगे उस मॉल में, and I'll just take you guys along because it's quite fun roaming around. And see, I don't really have a stress regarding my term 2 exam because you guys, I'm done with my syllabus very well, and you know, before exams should kind of chill more than you know totally blowing up your mind, because if you've studied the whole year, everything's gonna be simple, and you know, just forcing everything on the last moment, you'll mess up something in your exams, and that's what actually happened in my term 1. So you guys know what happened, right? So this time I'm so super chill, and yeah, I'm waiting for my mom to get ready. I don't really take time to get ready. I'm already there. I'm with this top and have shorts on, so yeah, a total summery outfit, and I'll update you guys once we are going to the mall. Okay, तो अभी बहुत ही गंदी चीज हुई. मैंने अपना शू निकाला वहां से, एंड द मोमेंट आई टुक इट आउट, वहां से एक छिपकली चल के आई और वो अभी इधर कहीं घुस गई है. पता नहीं if you guys can see, यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी पूंछ है, वो छिपकली के पूंछों में हालत खराब हुई हुई है. मैं अभी अपने बेड पे चढ़ी हूँ और मुझसे उतरा नहीं जा रहा. वो इतनी क्रीपी छिपकली है. वो लिटरली उधर से आई. अब मैं कूदूं भी कैसे बेड पे, तो इसको कैसे, तो मैंने चढ़ के मैं इधर तक कूदी और मुझे उतरना नहीं है. अब मुझे शूज पहनने में भी डर लग रहा है. पता चला उसमें उसकी मम्मी हो कौन हो, तो मेरी हालत ऑलरेडी खराब है. तो पता नहीं, देखते सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं अब क्या करेंगे. देखो, ये है वो छिपकली, अगर आपको दिख रही है उसकी पूंछ, ओ शिट यार, हमारे घर में कभी छिपकली आती नहीं है, पहली बार या दूसरी बार देखा है मैंने। और मेरी हालत अभी जो खराब है क्योंकि मुझे अब वो शूज पहनना है, उसके अंदर से निकली तो अब मैं क्या करूंगी पता नहीं।
आएगी ना मम्मा, आएगी तुम्हारे पास, डोंट वरी।
मम्मा बचाओ। शिट, ऑलरेडी मुझे कोई भी नॉर्मल से कीड़े से भी प्रॉब्लम होती है और ये तो एक छिपकली है। ओके, सो चेंज इन प्लान्स। अब हम पहनने वाले येलो वाले स्नीकर, क्योंकि अभी कल या परसों मम्मा ने धोए थे तो इसमें छिपकली तो नहीं होगी, तो ये पहनते हैं। मम्मी यार वो बहुत ही क्रीपी था, मतलब वो लिटरली छिपकली ऐसे ऐसे लेके यहाँ से गई और मैंने लिटरली से जंप किया। अगर मैंने जंप नहीं किया होता वो मुझ पे चढ़ जाती। और वो बड़ी अजीब सी, इतनी बड़ी ब्लैक और ब्राउन कलर की। ओके, भूल जाता उसको और ये पहनते हैं जल्दी। We are out and there is a huge problem that our phones are gonna get discharged, and we thought that we would plug in into our car, but we don't have the cable here. I think my dad took it and we are currently here with discharged phones, so I don't know how much I would be able to vlog, because I obviously need to save some amount of battery. So one phone has charge, a bit of charge, but one phone, this one doesn't. So let's see how much we can vlog, and I'll connect you once we reach the mall. So now we're going to West Side first, so we'll check out some good clothes and I'll come back. This is surely one of my favorite fans. ये समर में ना इतना अच्छा लगता है। इसके अंदर से पानी ऊपर जाता है और इसके अंदर से थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है, तो वो ये जनरली वहाँ रहता है, क्या बोलते हैं, वाटर पार्क्स एंड यू नो थीम पार्क्स में, और इधर अभी है तो इतना अच्छा लग रहा है। आहा हा। Second floor, first floor, UG. No, we have to go to the ground floor because we need to go to all these places. So So we are taking this. This is a Ludo from Hamleys, क्योंकि we love Ludo so much, but you know we have to take a lot of screen time if we are on phone. So our old Ludo was actually quite old, so we have to get this one. Hi guys, so it's been very long since I last vlogged. We came back home like around 9 o'clock or something, 8:30 or 9 or something, and after that, as you guys can see how tired I'm looking, and that's because we just filmed a house tour video as it was such a requested one. We thought to finally film it, and that would be out in some time, so I don't know whether it's still out or it would be out in some days, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, now there are so many things going on, because what happened that the electricity went off for such a long time, and while that time I had planned to actually solve some chemistry and math stuff, but that wasn't possible because it was so hot and I totally wasn't able to focus on my studies, and after some time it even got dark, so couldn't do that. So I'm even gonna study till 3 AM today mostly, and I'm gonna film that. That will be a separate vlog, kind of an half all-nighter you can say, because I'm very bad at pulling all-nighters. Even if I go at sleepovers, I generally sleep early, so yeah, and that's the case. We haven't yet unboxed that Ludo and I'm so excited. I yet haven't had dinner. Can you imagine, like it's around 11:30 and I still haven't had dinner. Need to do that. So yeah, I'll update you guys once I go for dinner, because currently this filming was going on, so now we'll go and have that. So तो आज डिनर में है छोले और रोटी। अभी हो रहे हैं 11:35 and I know it's so late for dinner but can't help it. And now I'll watch some TV and then I'll meet you guys. Mostly I'll meet you guys tomorrow because there's nothing much. After this I'll start some other work. So yeah, I'll mostly meet you guys tomorrow. So bye.